Welcome to Daily Sync, your concise source for today's top stories, tech insights, entertainment buzz, wellness tips, and more. I'm Alex Harper.
And I'm Jordan Bennett. Let's dive into today's headlines.
Good morning. It's February 24th, 2025. From Grok's AI censorship scandal to Space Force's classified mission and Apple's latest AirPods upgrade, we're here to keep you informed.
Let's dive in.
In current events, the UK and India are set to restart trade negotiations in Delhi, focusing on expanding business ties. While previous talks stalled over tariffs and labor mobility, both governments now see an opportunity for mutual economic growth. Will this time be different?
The Vatican confirms Pope Francis is facing a worsening kidney issue, raising concerns about the future leadership of the Catholic Church. At 87, his health struggles may reshape Vatican policy decisions in the near future.
Germany's newly elected chancellor signals a major shift in US-EU ties. With calls for greater European autonomy in defense and trade, this could mean a recalibration of NATO alliances.
In technology, Elon Musk's AI chatbot Grok temporarily prevented users from accessing sources that claimed Musk and Trump spread misinformation. XAI engineers blamed an unauthorized internal edit, but critics argue this exposes ideological bias in AI development.
As newsrooms shrink, many journalists are taking jobs training AI models for major tech companies. But does this further AI's dominance over traditional media? Or is it a necessary evolution of the industry?
The U.S. Space Force has released a stunning image of Earth from its top-secret X-37B spaceplane, currently conducting experimental orbital maneuvers. Its classified mission has fueled speculation about advanced defense capabilities.
Mozilla, known for Firefox, is shifting toward AI and privacy-focused advertising. With growing concerns over AI ethics and online tracking, could Mozilla become a serious competitor in the AI space?
In his new book, Palantir's CEO claims Silicon Valley has lost its way by prioritizing social activism over innovation. Is he right, or is this just a marketing move?
Today's hot topic: should AI companies be allowed to restrict search results on political figures? AI companies are private entities and should have control over their products. Preventing the spread of misinformation aligns with responsible business practices.
This sets a dangerous precedent where tech companies dictate political narratives. Who decides what qualifies as misinformation?
Maybe AI is just trying to protect us from Musk's Twitter meltdowns.
Or maybe it's just trying to avoid Musk's inevitable rage tweet lawsuit.
Now in business, Sonar acquires AutoCodeRover for AI-driven coding. Sonar is betting big on AI automation and software development. This acquisition could streamline coding workflows and reduce technical debt for enterprises.
E-commerce brands shift to U.S. manufacturing. Rising costs and regulatory pressures are pushing brands to made-in-America sourcing. Can domestic production scale fast enough to compete with China?
Apple confirms its latest firmware update brings enhanced hearing aid functionality to AirPods Pro 2, expanding accessibility features for users with hearing impairments.
In entertainment, Amazon's Prime Video is undercutting Netflix and Disney Plus with lower ad costs. Is this the start of a streaming price war?
Dave Chappelle took the stage at the NAACP Awards with a mix of social commentary and humor, urging people to stay resilient in tough times. He also joked, "All my Netflix checks cleared," referencing his past controversy with the platform.
In health and wellness, studies show that excessive decision-making throughout the day depletes cognitive energy, leading to burnout. Simplifying daily choices, such as meal prepping or outfit planning, can significantly improve mental clarity and focus.
Today's challenge, the Digital Detox Challenge. Take a 30-minute break from screens today. No phone, no computer, no TV. Spend that time reading, walking, or meditating. See how it impacts your focus and well-being. That's all for today's episode of Daily Sync. Thank you for joining us.
Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow.